Hi there, it's Colleen. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you kind of a cool new feature that Squarespace has that very few people know about. And I just think it's the neatest thing ever. And it's how to customize your homepage menu. Now, when you log into Squarespace, there is, you'll see you have this orders, inventory, customers, discount. Unless you have an e-commerce kind of website, you don't really need that. And there it is, front and center. Whereas we need this is what we need like every day, but we're like this. Well, here's something that's really cool. If you go into settings, you can scroll down here to advanced, and you can come into the section that says menu shortcuts. I know it seems pretty self-explanatory. When you click that, you can click off orders, inventory, customers, and discounts. And instead, you can add like traffic overview, traffic sources, and popular content, or things that you really need to see if you're running a non-e-commerce website. We click on those, and we'll go back to the home menu and check it out right there. All of our new stats. Sales, obviously we don't have any because we don't have an e-commerce website. Geography, here's our traffic sources. Isn't that cool? So now no more looking at the e-commerce when you don't have to. Instead, you can look at the things that you need to look at the most.